Good morning, my name is Laura Junda, and today I'm going to do the presentation of my infographic um, made in Pictoshare. So, first of all, the last weekend I went to the Círculo de Oficiales here in Bogota for an uncle's event that lasts all the weekend, and I went with all my family, my mother, my aunt, my sister, and my grandma. Um, because it was a military promotion, and for my uncle it was very important that my family were there. I like it because there were many activities to do. Um, First up, uh, a lunch very fancy. The food were delicious, and after that, a military parade, and finally a party with music and food at the club. I came back on Monday due to I need to start with my work for the uni and some other things. Uh, the step two, I write about Bogota. So first, the weather here in Bogota is pretty peculiar. It changes every day and every moment of the day, and it is too difficult to forecast it. In the morning, I usually it is very cold. After in the evening, it becomes warmer and the sky clears. And finally, at the night, the world is cold again. Uh, Also, usually at the evening, is sometimes it rains, but all depends of the I don't know the weather. The word in the evening change usually a lot. Sometimes it's red, sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cloudy or windy. It depends of the month of the year. Here in Bogota is a beautiful city with many activities to do. This is the city of non-stop. That's the reason why I'm going to give you some advice to enjoy the city. First of all, I think that it's necessary to wear clothes as well as cold water as warm water because, as I said after, the water changes many times a day. Also, you need to be careful in some neighborhoods, especially in downtown and the um, as the south of the city. Travel recommendations. I will know where I will stay. You should know where you will stay and which places you're going to visit. You must know that the public transport mart of the city. Uh, um, you should take some things important like sunscreen and comfortable clothes. You shouldn't forget to have enough money for your travel. You shouldn't take too many things in your travel bag. Uh, you shouldn't forget to take many pictures of the places that you are going to visit. Um, and now I'm going to talk about the most beautiful place that I had visited. So in my opinion, um, my summer vacation in San Andres were the most beautiful and the most incredible experiences. Um, because here um, I can get tan in the most incredible beach of Colombia and diving with colorful fish and stingrays. It's amazing. Some advice that I can give you to be there is that you should use sunscreen because it's really hot, and um, you have better taste the ceviche and coco loco. That's the typical, traditional food in San Andres. You ought to go to the Hoyo Soplador, a natural destination. It's incredible. And finally, you must enjoy everything that the island has for offering, like um, extreme sports and the beautiful beaches. Beach, beach. In my city, people should go in Bogota. In my city, people should go to the Gold Museum and do El Septimazo. In this way, people can know our traditional customs. Also, taste the delicious food. People shouldn't dump rubbish on the streets. It's a disgusting thing that I I think that people shouldn't. People should go to the music festivals that offers Bogota, like Stereo Picnic, Rock al Parque, Salsa al Parque, and things like that. People shouldn't have a heavy parties. I think that is disgusting behavior. And that's it. Thank you for watch me and hear me. This is for the course of English too. So thank you.